What's up, guys? Jerry here, NXTGEN Mobile Graphics, and me and Aaron's doing a little Bronco, nice little Bronco. We come to a lady that works at the pharmacy. Got a nice little Bronco, and she wanted it detailed inside and out, and ceramic coated. So we went started washing on it and realized it's already got ceramic coating on it. I'm assuming they did it from the car dealership when she bought it. She didn't know, so we told her we wasn't going to ceramic coat it, but we are going to ceramic spray. We got a new spray we want to try out, and we'll see how that goes. So today we're going to try out Avalon King's new Armor Shield Light Fast Ceramic Spray. See how it goes. Alright, so Aaron's got the spray.
Apply to any surface, anytime, in any condition. Wet, dry, hot, or cold.
That sounds pretty easy.
Simple spray and instant wipe application. Apply wet or dry.
There we go. So Avalon King sent this to us, and we thought we'd try it on this freshly ceramic coated Bronco, and we're gonna see how it does. And I'm assuming it's kind of like a quick detail spray, like the Ethos or
oh man,
ceramic guys.
It says please do not drink or put in your eyes.
Oh, I was gonna drink it. So
what it says to do is spray it on there and spray your rag, and then go, you know,
wiping it off.
Wipe it on, wipe it off.
Well, we like wipe on, wipe off. So let's see what we got, Mr. Kong.
Don't know how to use the sprayer.
Don't know.
Give me a minute.
The instructions tell you how to use the sprayer.
Oh, it's got a lock and a open. Look at there.
Oh,
A little twist thing right there.
I'm sure that's a $20 feature.
Yeah, buddy, right there. That's nice. Nope, that didn't work either.
That didn't work either. This piece is...
Oh, but you also got to turn it to this open side as well.
Oh, okay. So you got several options on the trigger.
Let's see what this side gets. Okay, that's a super wide spray. It's the same.
So it's just a mist. So got a mist spray.
I'm assuming you just missed it on there.
And I'll do it. What I'll do is he usually wipes on, and I'll come back and buff. I buff over top once he gets done. Said hot or dry. It's kind of hot on this side. It's sunny and it's evaporating. Drying quick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have to do smaller areas. That vehicle is hot.
It's pretty warm, ain't it?
Really hot.
So yeah, they sent us this product to try. I guess it's a new detail spray for them. Got some SiO2 in it, and we're gonna try it out and see. We'll see how it goes.
It's about like the Ethos.
About the same as the Ethos. If you guys ever use the Ethos Defy, it's about the same stuff. Goes on about the same way.
Not a fan of the sprayer.
Not a fan of the mist.
Can't aim it.
If you got any kind of wind at all,
it don't really get on the vehicle.
It's kind of just blowing in the air. So yeah. And then what I'm doing is just coming back and getting some of the residual off. You see little high marks, hot spots as they call it.
Smells pretty good.
That smells good. I just sniffed the camera. Didn't help.
I don't know what it smells like. It smells like laundry detergent.
But it feels slick. I mean, you gotta.
Yeah,
it's got a slick, but now this car is ceramic coated. So yeah, but now it's rough, Aaron. You can feel the texture on this, even though it's ceramic coated. I know those guys at the car dealerships, they just spray that crap on. They spray it on the whole car, and they don't really hand apply it like it should be hand applied. And I'm pretty sure they probably don't clay bar or anything else.
Not sure what the price of this is, but I mean, it's just like Ethos.
Yeah, I don't know what Avalon's charging for this. They didn't really tell me. They just sent me this to try out.
I like it.
And
seems to be working pretty good.
Aaron said he seems to like it so far.
It says super fast ceramic coating, and it seems to be pretty fast. Wipe on, wipe off.
It's like a Karate Kid over here.
Wax on, wax off. It does make it super slick. I do like it. Got the buff.
Okay. Gotcha. Got people texting me wanting work done. Alright, so. But now it does feel a lot smoother than that hood did. And as I was saying, you know, we tend to clay bar. Did you do this whole door?
No, I did not.
Okay, yeah, look. So, as I'm going through here, this is really smooth, and then all of a sudden right there it grabs. You can tell a huge difference in it. So it is putting some kind of coating on. That's a good thing. We like to use it on glass. It really makes your glass pop.
Looks like it's rid of water spots.
And it gets rid of a lot of water spots on the black. But yeah, man, it's looking pretty good.
The rags they sent us, super soft, but this black one, it's already saturated so much that
they did send me a 6-pack of these too.
Buff it off. I just had to put it on.
How far did you go here?
I've done the pillar.
Okay. So, getting there.
Do his door. Sprayer's not bad. I mean, it's just the mist factor. If it wasn't windy, it'd be really good.
We got just a little bit of a breeze here today.
Maybe if you was in a shop or something doing it, it'd work out pretty good.
We got lucky today, Aaron, because they got construction going on over here, but today they're not here. This would have been a dust bowl had they been working today, but today's Friday. I guess they all took off. So we got lucky here.
And it seems where it's misting, it may last a while too.
So you're not putting a whole lot of product on, is what you're saying, at a time.
Sticker in the bottom.
So the mist is kind of saving your product, cause you to not have to apply as much.
But man, it's smooth.
You tell a big difference going to the other door?
It looks like it might have got some of the swirls out.
Is it helping taking swirls out?
They're not as noticeable from a distance as they were.
So yeah, we noticed when this lady first pulled up the swirls in the paint, and yeah, it's kind of hiding some of that. So that's what we were hoping for. I know these pillars, the A and C pillars, are really scratched. They really need polished out. But yeah, that's taking a lot of that out of there, Aaron. I like that stuff so far. And we hate to keep comparing it to the Ethos, but that's really the only product we've really used that, or really used that we've liked. We really like the Ethos Defy. But now this stuff seems to be working really good, and depending on the price, I think I don't know, I'll put a link in the description for the price if I can get it from Avalon, and see. We use their ceramic coating, their 2-year ceramic coating. We really like it. It goes on really good. But yeah, man, this stuff's looking good. There's some water spots right there. Hit that and see. Take that off. Yeah, man. So we use it a lot for water spot removal on these darker vehicles. Right inside that door. So kind of a finishing aid, I guess. I don't really know how to describe it. Just what we call them quick detailers. Puts a quick shine on. Easy to apply, really fast. Repels water.
It almost smells like sunscreen.
Like sunscreen. He says it smells like sunscreen. Did you hit the mirror?
I did not.
Okay.
I ain't been really hitting the plastic stuff.
Okay.
I can hit the glass.
Yeah, it's not really designed for the plastics, more for the paint and the clear coat. He says it does say all surfaces, so.
But we don't normally use plastics with the ceramic.
Yeah, we like to
use VRP.
We like to use the VRP from Chemical Guys. That's a really good product. It's probably one of the few products from Chemical Guys that we really like. We're not big fans of Chemical Guys. Seems like a lot of their products are for the same thing. They have
Yeah, they have a lot of repeat.
4 or 5
different name.
4 or 5 bottles of the same stuff that do the same thing, but they're called something different. And
That's super cool.
yeah, it did slick it up, didn't it?
I like it.
Yeah, man. And you can see, I mean, she's glossy. I think it looks better.
I did notice if you spray a bunch on there on a hot hood, it you see how it's
Evaporates fast, don't it?
too fast.
Yeah.
But if you buff it enough, it goes away.
And usually, you know, if you just re-wet it, you can get those streaks out and stuff.
Yeah, just apply more.
Reapply, and it'll help take that out. Yeah, man, I can tell a huge difference. It's still, I still feel some grit, but now it's filling in the.
Well, I felt it, but once you keep, you know, buffing, it eventually goes away. Like I don't feel no grit no more.
Yeah. Good deal. So yeah, we're gonna finish polishing this out and applying this product, and we'll be back. Alright, so our final thoughts on the Avalon King Armor Shield Light Fast Ceramic Spray. We like it. Goes on really good. So the good points, what do you think? Good points.
It's very fast and easy to put on.
Fast and easy, just like it says. Wet or dry.
Wet or dry.
Hot or
the
cold.
The other side was a little wet when we put it on, and it done just as good.
So the ease of use seems like you can use it in all conditions. That's a plus.
Yeah. Our biggest thing is heat around here.
Yeah, around here heat.
Having something that can
you don't always have shade.
Direct sun.
Yeah, and this is good. This does work in there, and Ethos is the same.
It
Now, it
like
does
filled
evaporate
in,
fast.
It filled in some of the light swirls.
Looks like it filled some light swirls.
And it makes it super smooth.
So it does look a lot better. Glasses over a lot better. But yeah, overall we like it. Some things we didn't like: the mister.
The sprayer it's alright.
It's okay, but if there's any kind of breeze,
on the rag, it works pretty good. But as soon as you go to spray it on the car,
it just floats away.
It'll float away or cover something that you've done buffed out. So
yeah. So and the other thing's the scent. We can't really nail down a scent, and really, scent doesn't matter for cleanliness or effectiveness of the spray.
Don't.
And
smell
ceramics
anyway.
usually don't smell very good.
We put on it's strong. It's stout.
I think they put
like blueberries. So.
Scent in it for us, for the detailer, so we can smell it.
The Ethos is like the only ceramic that we've noticed.
It smells like a blueberry or something.
It smells really good.
But no, this stuff works. Like I said, we don't know the price. If I can find out a price, I'll post it here. That, like I said, they sent this to me to try out. And we didn't use hardly any. I mean, it's still a full bottle.
Yeah.
Barely used any.
Bronco.
On a full Bronco. We wiped the entire thing down. So.
We done glass. Windows,
but yeah, we did windows, everything. So it looks really good. Turned out really nice. So yeah, Avalon King, we like your stuff. Detailers, give it a try, man. It's good stuff. Good results. Good results. It's Jerry and Aaron. See ya.